an elementary summer program that is for students that are be entering grades 1st through 6th grade.
Summer camp has been very science-based, so we've started the morning with about an hour of hands-on science.
We learned about the rocks. We put big rocks and little rocks inside. Then we put sand, then put water, and it flooded. I learned about volcanoes and things that change the earth. So we're making mountains.
Students that are invited are struggling students, students that were at risk of being retained. So we want to make sure that they get that extra boost over the summer.
The kids love being here. They come in and they want to know, what are we going to get to learn about today?
This is obsidian.
We're trying to show like a river right there and the ocean.
I believe I know this one. That is granite.
As a district, we place our emphasis on our elementary students because we want to make sure that they remain engaged and excited about their learning.
It turns to obsidian once it goes out the volcano, and then it cools down and it turns into obsidian.
The mountain, valley, lake, and the runoff. Two of spades go together and they form the mountain. So pushing it together.
We also invite a lot of our English learners. We want to make sure that we can really build their academic vocabulary and keep their English strong over the summer when they might not have had those other opportunities.
Learning about silent E and silent O and silent A.
I need to sort them by the short vowel and the vowel and the one that says its name.
It's co-funded by LCAP funds and also co-funded by Title I funds.
All of the whole curriculum is designed to be interactive, to being student-centered, to being highly engaging.
Every kid gets their hand on every experiment. They get their head into the science, into the excitement of what that is.
And because of the beautifully small class sizes, we've been able to give these students the attention that they need, a little bit more one-on-one, really individualizing our lessons for what they need to learn, and just making it fun so that they fall in love with learning and they believe that they can learn.